Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury, and it's cruising day. It's cruising day. We gave our luggage to the porters, and we're about to go check in. Let's do it. Let's go sail to Alaska. So we have made it through security, and we are going to the ship. We go to the ship. To the ship. It's this way. We're going to the ship. Oh, family is coming. Family was lagging behind, but family has caught up. Family. Now we go to the ship. Now we are officially going to the ship. We're going up and down and back and forth. More of the up, not so much the down. Doing the up. And look, they have a crane loading the luggage in. Yes, loading by crane. Okay, going across the gangway up here, and I am on the ship. I'm on the ship. We made it on board and we're going to our muster station. So we have officially mustered. My mom is mustering now, and I have to find my sister. She was at a different area. And yeah, we get to explore. So this is Quantum of the Seas, and it is the sister ship of Anthem of the Seas. So we went into Music Hall. Now on Anthem, this wall has skulls, but this one has kisses and hearts with chains. I still like it. I'm partial to the skulls though. Partial to the skulls. But look, the vibe is the same kind of chairs and high top. They have the little dance floor and the screen down there. Totally same vibe. Oh, there's billiards. We could play billiards. Roy thinks he's gonna beat me at billiards. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think I'm gonna win. I will be victorious. Okay, we are going downstairs so we can investigate where the casino is. So I have become the de facto tour guide because the layout is the same as Anthem, which is also the ship I have sailed on the most. So I kind of know where I'm going, even though I haven't been on this ship. And then we found the casino. We are still at port, so we can't play right now. So they have the craps table. They have 3-card poker, Texas Hold'em, blackjack, a whole bunch of table games over here. They got some roulette. So somehow my sister was able to drop her stuff off, but for us the doors are closed. So we are going to the meeting point we have of Music Hall. So we're going back to Music Hall because it wasn't too busy. I think while we wait, I'm challenging Roy to billiards. We'll see how we do. We'll see how this goes. Okay, who will be victorious? So full disclosure, I can't break, but once everything is broke, I should be okay. I should be okay. We'll see. We'll see. Good job. Good going, kid. What was that? Oh gosh. Pocket right there. No, I'm not actually, but that's okay. Oh.
There you go.
Now that I am officially the winner at pool, it's lunchtime. Going up to Windjammer. Okay, we are heading to the Windjammer via the pool deck. Indoor pool, outdoor pool, and then Windjammer. And there is strange cruise art watching us, making sure that we washy-washy. Okay, we have juices, teas, got coffee. Always a good way to start out. Little juice, little coffee. Now we gotta find food. We have a build-your-own salad situation. We have a welcome on board quantum of the seas cake. Look at that. Look how pretty. We have some fruits, pasta salads. I got corn salad. So we have some chicken noodle soup and potato leek soup. Got some deli meats, some spreads. Oh, look at that focaccia. That looks like some nice focaccia. We also have a little cheese sandwich here. Oh, yeah, look at that paella. Look how good that paella looks. They also have some grilled fish, grilled chicken, some veg. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. And here is my final plate. So I got fish, I got some like chickpeas and like a tomato sauce, trying a little bit of curry, and I got a little fruit cup. Okay, we found the room. We did it. Success. Okay, we're in the room. So you know what that means. Quick little room tour. Let's take a look around. Okay, so right from the doorway, this is what the room looks like. So first off, we have, hello, how are you? Okay, and we have little desk here, little dresser. This is a little chair. We have our power ports, 2 standard outlets, 2 USB outlets, European outlet, light switches. Oh, look, we have a kettle. This is new. I don't remember having a kettle in the past. We have a kettle in the room. I have welcome waters because of my status. So that's there. We have this little lamp. Look at the cool geometric shapes on the lamp. And there's also these drawers over here. We have a blow dryer and some tissues. In here should be the cooler. Yep, this is the cooler. And we have a few more drawers over here. This has room service menu, breakfast. So this is great because if you want room service for breakfast, that is included. It's just room service during the day that's extra. But if you want just a little like continental breakfast, that is included here. If you want the full American breakfast, it's $7.95. And you just put this outside and what time you want it. It's pretty nifty. I've done it before. Then here's more drawers, and another drawer. Lots of storage. And over here is the TV. This is the bed. And look at this. I have a gift bag here. There is a bag. It has a swimming turtle. This is like cork. It's cork. I'm saying caulk like it's for the sealing a bathroom. No, it's cork. Look at this. This is a great bag. Let's see. This is for a shuttle to Sitka. Okay, then we have our balcony over here. So let's take a look. So we have chair with a little footrest. And then this is not a lounger. This is like a sitting chair with footrest. And this is the port in Seattle. Cool. So nice little balcony, place to hang out, some seating. There's also a little table out here. So if you want brekkie and you want to eat out here, we have options. Okay, let's go back inside. Then over here on this side of the bed, so you have your reading lamps and you have the power buttons here. We have these buttons so that way it does these overhead lights. And you could do that right from the bedside. And you do have a power port right there. And a few little shelves. And then over the top of the bed, there are these 2 overhead storage spaces. So we have 2 more cubbies up there. And then if we go to the other side of the bed, same thing. So you have the lamp, you have these shelves, but no power port on this side. Then we have our closet. So you have for hanging things, so especially for fancy night. We have 2 4-usable shelves, and we have the safe. And then we have, let me move this. We have these 2 drawers, right? And then we have this couch, perfect for lounging. right? Perfect for lounging. Yep, perfect for lounging. Then over here next to the couch, we have another larger closet, more hanging space, and it's angled. That's interesting. So it's like it's deeper on this side than it is on that side. Like if I point to the floor, you could see that better. But yeah, this is like an angled closet. Then over here is the restroom. It gives you the warning, don't trip. And the reason for this is it's a step up. This is like a cruise ship thing. The bathrooms are always a step up, so be careful. The bathroom light is on the outside. And we have like a shower pod, which is pretty standard. Oh, I was expecting it to slide, it opens. So that is not so standard. It pulled out instead of slide. And then you have the hair and body wash wall mounted. You have the shower head. And then over here we have a few shelves. We have towels. There's some more towels. Some more towels. I don't see big towels. These towels are actually the big towels. They are deceptive because when I went to the side, I saw how much they were folded. They are just well folded, but these are the shower towels. Got it. Okay. And then we have some soap, sink, and yeah, that is the bathroom. Oh, and me. Hi. So that is our room. We are all settled. I have to go help my sister get some points linked at the loyalty desk, so I got to go take care of some stuff. But I guess that's it for now. And the Alaska adventure awaits us. So I guess that's it for now. And until then, stay inspired by everyone. Take care. So it is our first day on the boat, and we just started to sail away. And it was so smooth and so quiet. I didn't even notice that we pulled out. I just noticed that what was outside the window was not what was outside the window before. Like, the scenery has changed. And we are underway. We are underway. Let me show you. So we have Seattle in the distance over there. You could maybe see the Space Needle just sort of peeking out just behind the ship. And then if we go this way, out in the distance, like right around there, you might be able to see Mount Rainier or Mount Rainier. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I think it's Mount Rainier. It almost looks like a painting. And we are heading out to sea. Heading out to sea. It is also surprisingly warm. I was expecting it to be brisk, and I have lots of layers, but I mean, that's good planning because layers, you know, you change. But I was expecting to need more layers. It's very warm today. It's very, very warm. So we're underway and enjoying it. And it's almost time to go down for dinner. So let's see what tonight holds. We are outside the shore excursions desk. And there's a micro duck.
QR code on that one. Give me that one.
It says, keep or hide, you decide.
Give me it.
Oh, what luck, you found a duck.
Give it to me.